Assalamu alaikum, Sidra Malik is here. Roll number 60. My topic is code switching in the classroom, a corpus study of bilingual practice. What is code switching? Code switching means changing from one language to another while speaking. This often happens in the classroom where student or teacher speak more than the one language. For example, a teacher may start examining the topic in English, then switch to the student's native language to make the idea easier to understand. And the student may also help to switch language to asking a question to express themselves more clearly. Code switching help learning build comfort, allow the better communication. It's very useful. Types of code switching: intersessional code switching and intrasessional code switching and tags code switching. Intrasectional code switching. A corpus when a speaker switch one language within a same sentence. How it's work and its type, like the speaker makes the two languages more in a one sentence, like I need to study for the examination लेकिन मुझे time नहीं मिल रहा. The English and Urdu are mixed within a one sentence. It's like the intra code switching. Tag code switching. The tag code switching involves adding the short words or phrases, usually the tag one language in another language, and into the sentence primarily in the other language. The switching happen when the tag to express their self beginning of the students. Like how did it work? It's like a test na. Na is a Hindi or Urdu word like used in a English sentences. That's like the tag switching. Code switching in the classroom. Code switching in the classroom, like clarification management, teachers often switch to the student the native language to make the difficult concept easier. Understand this is especially useful when the example science teachers may explain the technical term in English when give the explanation in the Urdu to make these things more easier. Like खामोश हो जाओ वरना मैं काम रोक दूंगी. This is the sentences of teachers to make their language more easy. Participation culture. Course switching when help include the cultural references and may be difficult to the translate, helping student related more than the lesson content. For example, the referring is a local event tradition in the idioms, the native language make the lesson more relatable. And the purpose of the code switching in the classroom in the enhance understanding, bridge the language gap, support the bilingual development, increase the student participants, and the maintaining classroom controls. Enhance understanding. Code switching help the students understand difficult topic by using their first language and the language of instructions. It's like a act to the learning the aid. And the bridge language, it allow the teacher and student to move smoothly and between the language, especially when a one language along with is not enough to express the full idea of the concept, right? And support bilingual development. Encourage both the native language and the target language helps to student become the more confident in a bilingual speaker. Increase students participants. When the student can express themselves in a similar language and they are more likely to ask the questions, the join discussions and the stay engaging. Maintaining the classroom control. Teacher use the code switching for effective classroom management, giving the instruction, warning in the phrases, language student responds the more quickly. Promote the culture identity. Like these things, the code switching also promote the cultural identity, like the understanding the engagement. The code switching helps the students. The impact of the classroom communication. The impact of the classroom station, as usual, the enhancing understanding helps to students gap difficulty concept, build the positive environment and recognize the respect students' linguistics background and improve the students' communication confidently and development skills. Enhance understanding and engagement. Course switching helps student grasp the difficult concept by allowing teacher to switch and the student native language when needed. This make learner more accessible and keep student engaging, especially in the multilingual classrooms. When teacher and students use the code switching naturally, it's create the more comfort and exclusive atmosphere and the respect the students' linguistics background and help to feel seen the more supportive. Improve students' participants. Students who might be the students who might be shy or insecure while using to use the second language participants in the classroom and asking something in the classroom for their related to their study. This engaging more classroom interaction and boost the communication skills over time. My topic is end. Thank you for listening.